this recipe. We're going to be making 2 different types of paneer tacos. However, before we jump into the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Punch that notification bell, and let's get cooking. So, for our paneer tacos, let's start with the Tandoori Paneer taco filling first. So we're going to take 1 cup of paneer in a large mixing bowl, and to this we will add in half a cup of chopped onions and half a cup of chopped bell peppers. Next we will add in 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Here we are preparing our marinade for our paneer. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of hung curd, or if you want you can substitute it with Greek yogurt. Next we will add in our spices, starting with 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, a pinch or a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Then we're going to add in 1/3 tablespoon of amchur or dried mango powder, and salt to taste. Follow this up with 1/3 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and give it all a nice mix. Finally, add in a pinch or 2 of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek, but make sure to crush it within your hands first in order to release the oils and taste. Give it one final mix and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, if not more. While that marinates, let's move on to making our chili paneer gravy for taco number 2. Start with a tablespoon of sesame oil in a pan over medium to low heat, and to this add in half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the paste starts sizzling, add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes and give it a quick stir. Then add in 1 tablespoon of chili garlic paste or sambal olek, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it all a quick mix, and then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sweet and spicy ketchup, like Maggi, or you can use regular ketchup as well. Let the sauce cook for about a few minutes, and then into this we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of onions and a 1/4 cup of bell peppers. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and then finally add in half a cup of paneer and give it a nice mix. Cover with the lid and allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or so, and our chili paneer taco filling is pretty much done. We will top it with some green onions or scallions prior to filling, but now that one filling is done, let's go back to our tandoori paneer. Into a pan, you're going to add in half a tablespoon of mustard oil and allow it to heat up over low to medium heat. Once it is warm enough, add in your marinated paneer mixture from earlier, and we want to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the paneer starts to get a nice char on both sides. While that cooks, let's prepare our chili paneer tacos. So take either mini tortillas or a mini paratha and fill them with our chili paneer from earlier. Top with some shredded amul or white cheddar and some green onions, and voila, our chili paneer tacos are ready. They look downright delicious. However, before we dig into these, let's make the other ones as well. So before we assemble our tandoori paneer tacos, let's make a quick little sauce for them by mixing a 1/4 cup of yogurt, a pinch of red chili powder, salt to taste, and 2 chopped green chilies. With that, we are pretty much ready to assemble. So take your taco shells in the form of either tortillas or parathas, add in your cooked paneer that you just made, top it with some chopped onions, your yogurt dip that we also just prepared, and some coriander chutney. And our tandoori paneer tacos are also now complete. They look equally as delicious as the chili paneer tacos, and man, oh man, is my mouth watering right now. So I'm gonna go dig in. Enjoy!